Talk to us a little bit about what makes green filters different, won't you?
Well, we've got some new technology that's surrounded in a filter's made out of three things. You've got your immediate, which is your rubber that goes around the filter, and you've got your cotton material or media that you use for filtration, and then you have your stainless or steel mesh. And the way we put it together, it's just a little bit of a better mousetrap than what's been available for years. So we just paid attention to detail, and therefore when we put everything together with our new technology, as well as the oil, the synthetic oil we use, we seem to have a better package.
So with the different varieties of filters out there, is there something specific that you think you could put your finger on that would make your filters a little bit different than some of the others that are out there in the marketplace currently?
Well, basically, our filters are put together with a four-stage process. There's little or no bleed from the urethane on the ends into the filter material, which just by looking at it, you can see there's 7, 8, 10% better filtration with the amount of area you have.
Got it. Now, this particular easy to see example has been something that I've seen over the years, and it's like, really? But it really is probably the most simple way to show the difference in the filters. Yeah. Talk to us a little bit about that.
Basically, we have the dry flow filter that some people use. We have the regular paper filter that comes in your car from the factory. We have a leader in the industry put here, and we have the green filter. These are all calibrated pretty much the same. You could take the filters and put them across here, and you'll see the difference in airflow. Now, if we take that and change it out, we'll change out a couple of them and see what happens. Basically, you can see the green filter there. One competitor there. No matter where you put it, you're going to come up with the same results.
Mark, how important is air intake in air filters to guys with these high horsepower motors? I'm seeing these guys now at 800, 1200 horsepower. Of course, they're going to be up to 2,000 horsepower. Yeah. Everybody's worried about camshafts and crankshafts and connecting rods and pistons. What do they have to keep top of mind when we're talking about filters? Can you give these guys a little bit of insight?
Here's what I start out with and said, this is the cheapest horsepower in the building. You can buy cams, you can buy any kind of turbochargers. This is the most inexpensive horsepower you can get in the building. You can get a brand new car and you can put it in and you're going to see a difference.
How much difference are they going to see?
You're going to see anyway in performance about 6% on most cars, about 6% better performance, and about 5 to 6% better on fuel mileage. So you've got something that's great for the kid with a Mustang and great for somebody's mom with a
SUV
grocery getter. Yeah, sure. right, or a minivan. Because she wants it for a different reason, but it's all about performance here. That's what we're talking about. This is performance. This hall was the performance hall. This show is all about performance.
And Made in USA is also a pretty strong statement, especially when we're talking about something along the lines of a filter.
Right, yeah. And it's one of the first things people buy for, to boot a little improvement and to personalize their car.
Where are you guys going to be going? I know you're really into racing. What do you guys have going on from the racing scene or the event scene coming up in 2016?
Well, we're very proud of our heritage in that business. We won the 24 Hours at Daytona with a green filter five times. I mean, anybody can talk about racing, but when you race flat out for 24 hours, it really separates the men from the boys. And we're going to continue that tradition with some new products and some new teams that a little bit early to let the cat out of the bag, but it's a major deal.
Thanks so much for sharing some time with us. Mark REV'N, one of the great guys in this industry.